Welcome to the Qualcomm Support Community. This support community provides a place for users to search for information related to Qualcomm products and services, read and post about topics of interest, and learn from one another. Participating is free and easy. Anyone can browse the content in the community without logging in. If you'd like to ask a question or reply to someone else's question, you will need to create an account and log in. Registering with Qualcomm gives you access to additional features such as subscribing to notifications, setting preferences, and upvoting for posts. Let our search engine be your starting point to find answers to your questions. If no answers exist, you can initiate a new question. Make sure your question is specific, clear, and complete. As soon as someone replies to your question, you'll be notified. You may receive several answers and have the option of picking the best one. Keep in mind that some questions are more complex than others and may take longer to receive a reply. To facilitate focused conversations, Qualcomm Support Community is partitioned into multiple forums. Within each forum, there are multiple simultaneous threads of communication called discussions. Qualcomm's community is rich in features. You can follow a specific discussion to receive notifications, you can provide feedback through upvotes, and you can bookmark specific posts and share interesting posts with others. The Qualcomm Support Community makes frequently asked questions available through the Articles feature. Trending articles are listed in the community landing page. Each forum has separate areas for discussions and articles. You are essential to the Qualcomm Support Community. It is a great place to find like-minded individuals, to help others, and find the help that you need. So go ahead, participate, and further your learning with Qualcomm Support Community.